Businesses operate in different ways, but when it comes to taxes, they follow a structured system. This storyboard presents a sample scenario using fictional names to show how corporations and partnerships comply with income tax requirements. Through the stories of three businesses, a corporation, a partnership, and their shared process, we can understand how tax compliance works in the Philippines. Lucas Corporation is a medium-sized company engaged in manufacturing products. As a registered corporation, it is required to file and pay income tax. Corporations like Lucas Corporation fall under non-individual taxpayers and are required to use BIR Form number 1702RT, which is the annual income tax return for corporations and partnerships subject to the regular income tax rate.
To determine the taxable income, Lucas Corporation starts with its gross income from sales. From this, it subtracts allowable business expense such as salaries, utilities, rent, and cost of goods sold. The remaining amount is the taxable income, which becomes the basis for computing the income tax due.
How corporate tax is computed. Once taxable income is determined, the corporation applies the applicable corporate income tax rate. The final tax due is computed based on this rate. This ensures that the business pays the correct amount based on its actual net earning for the year.
On the other hand, not all businesses operate as corporations. Some are formed as partnerships like Rivera & Co., a small consulting firm owned by two partners. Although their structure is different, they also follow similar tax compliance rules.
Rivera & Co. as a partnership is also required to file income tax using BIR form number 1702-RT. Just like corporations, partnerships compute their taxable income by subtracting allowable expenses from gross income. The tax is then computed based on the applicable rate before filing their annual return.
Both corporations like Lucas Corp and partnerships like Rivera & Co. must file their income tax returns electronically. They can use the eBIR Forms application or the EFPS system, which are official platforms provided by the Bureau of Internal Revenue. Payments are made through authorized banks or online payment channels linked to these systems.
All official BIR forms, including BIR form number 1702RT, can be accessed through the Bureau of Internal Revenue's website and the eBIR forms application. Whether operating as a corporation or a partnership, businesses follow the same principles: identify income, deduct taxes, compute tax, and file properly. Different business structures, but one clear system of tax compliance.